Hey guys, it's Nightuke47. Well, actually, I'm gonna upload this video from my other account. Well, yeah. Let's try this again. Hey guys, this is OBS Chevy K 1500 vlogs. So I'm outside, and I don't know why I'm outside because I know it's cold. It's cold out here. Here's my Tahoe though. Here's my '95 Chevy. They still runs. These two trucks, they still run. I just already started these trucks to warm. What I'm trying to say that I start the truck so the temperature can go up, like warming up their motors. But yeah, the truck still starts. Well, the battery was a little bit weak, but she still starts. And the Tahoe too. Yeah, look at that. She got her. Check out my truck's brand new dark headlights that I just installed from like back in November. It looks nice. I like these dark headlights. Well, here's an issue. I'm still we cannot drive the truck yet because on the license plate we had to change the date on the license plate. If we don't change the license plate, yeah, I know it's windy. This green thing is blowing up by the air. So what I was saying is that we cannot drive the Tahoe because you know what, I'm gonna get inside and start my Tahoe again. It is cold. It's cold as hell out here. Let me get in my Tahoe. Sorry. Well, my mom, she's back home, but nah, I'm not gonna untie my dog because it's cold out here. He might gonna get freezed to death. So anyway, I'm gonna start my Tahoe because it's cold outside. Yeah, I'm wearing shorts. I don't know why I'm wearing shorts. I should wear pants because it's not summer. It's not summer. It's winter. Winter is very cold. Like a low degrees, like 40 or 30 or 20. Yeah, something like that. But it's cold. I don't like cold season. I like when the weather is like nearly 70 degrees. Well, something like that. I'm gonna start the Tahoe again. So because I like sitting in this truck because it's cold outside. It's cold outside, and that's why these trucks, they have a good air. They have a good air condition. This one, I mean, on my Tahoe, it doesn't take that long when the air gets hot. It might take it like a minute. But my '95 Chevy, it takes like I don't know, like 2 minutes or 3 minutes until the hot air condition and it can come up and get warm inside the truck. This one, it doesn't take that long. It takes like a minute when it's hot inside. But yeah, it feels good. So yeah, there's the AC is on. Oh yeah, let me close the gate real quick. Alright, I'm back. So anyway, let's talk about my '95 Chevy, because I don't know why I'm talking about I don't know why I'm talking about the air, but never talk about my OBS Chevy truck. And that green thing, I hate when it blows by the air. I know it's cold. So I know a few months ago I took the truck to get the transmission rebuilt, and then it took me like 6 months or 5 months to bring her back. Yeah, I think it took me like 5 months. But yeah, the transmission is good. She runs well. the motor, it has no problems, because when my dad, with my pa, bought he bought my truck. He bought the truck. They at the dealer, they said that they rebuilt the motor, so the motor is good, but motor's dirty. But one day if we get the trucks, putting some new parts on it, it will run better. And it will sound good. So anyway, what I'm gonna say is that my truck, it needs some new parts. Like my truck, she needs some brand new shocks. We had to fix the suspension because the steering wheel, it feels like it doesn't drive very well. It doesn't spin very well. I mean, it's not the steering wheel that I'm talking about that it spins slow. I'm just saying that the steering wheel, it feels weird when I turn right or left. But other things with the truck, I need to put I had to put some new spark plugs. What else? I had to put some some new brakes on the truck, because when I drive the truck, it feels bad when I drive the truck because the brakes feels faulty. I hate it with that green thing. The green thing, never mind. So yeah, so we might gonna fix the brakes because because the brakes, they don't feel good. Yeah, the brakes it feels faulty. But yeah, we might gonna fix that when we're gonna start fixing the truck. Not in this month. When I know we passed January and we're in February now. So we might gonna work on the truck, I don't know, like on summer. But other stuff with my truck needs, we had to put a new muffler and a new exhaust so she can sound good. Some other parts on my truck, it needs a new grill. The headlights are good. I don't need to put some different ones. Same thing on the back. They look good on the back. But the tailgate, it doesn't open very well, so I might gonna find a new one at the junkyard to find a good condition tailgate for another OBS Chevy truck. And what else? When we get to the truck repaint, we're gonna put some, like I said, like put a new grill. We might gonna put a light bar on the top of the truck, and we might gonna put maybe a bull bar. I think that's how they call it. What else? Yeah, I think we also gonna put some tow mirrors so the truck can look good. Not this one though, because this is a family truck, and this truck still runs, and you can feel the air. But yeah, that's all the stuff that we had to work on the truck. Put in new spark plugs, the suspension, brakes. What else? What else did I say? Shocks. Yeah, the shocks. All that good stuff that my truck needs so it can be like a brand new truck. And a new paint, by the way, because the paint looks pretty bad, except for this one. The paint in the Tahoe is okay. It's good. It's good. No, like a little bit of rust. It has a little bit of scratches, but it does not have rust. It does not have a lot of rust, because the truck, it has 223,000 miles. Can you guys see it? Maybe not because of the sun. Okay, there we go. Yep. Well, you guys, I know I talk a lot. Make sure to leave a like to this video. I'm gonna post this video on my other account, on my other YouTube channel account. So make sure to leave a like to this video. Subscribe to my other channel if you're new to my other channel. Yeah, like just Just if you're new to my channel, just subscribe. Whoa, jeez, what is this? It's like a tornado. I think I need to let the dog inside. It's blowing very hard in the wind. Well, anyway, if you're new to this channel, just leave a like. I mean, just subscribe to this channel. Post some comments, and make sure to turn on notification bell so you can receive a notification from me when I upload another video. And don't forget to subscribe to my other account, my main account. So follow me on Instagram, add me as a friend on Snapchat, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a nice day and goodbye.